Jesus Freak here. Now, yesterday it wasn't too bad. It was starting to get cold. My friend who was fixing my old computer was passing through the area and decided to stop by. So he gave me back the computer and I got it set up. Anyway, this morning it had gotten really cold and the streets had frozen up, and my ride to church called and said, it's just too slick, not really safe to travel. And I thought about it. I said, I don't like to skip out on church. I really don't like doing that. But I felt it wasn't worth the risk. And this is something, I think I can count on one hand the number of times I haven't been to at least one church service on a Sunday since I started going back to church about 4 years ago. Something I really don't like to skip out on. Anyway, my friend that usually takes me grocery shopping's a bit busy tomorrow, so I'll probably still be headed out that way. I have some things I want to look at Office Depot, and I might consider upgrading my webcam, depending on how expensive they are. Since Office Depot is kitty corner from Ollie's, I might go in there and take a look too. See if I can get any good stuff cheap. I've been spoiled by the fact that my old place, I had to have the heat turned way up. The heat here works, but it's a lot more minimalistic. So, doesn't help, my feet get really cold. Sometimes my hands get cold. It's probably just, bad circulation. But it's not that much of a problem, If my feet are too cold, I put on my sneakers. My hands are too cold, I put them in my pockets. If I'm wearing something that ain't got pockets, just sit on something. And I got 2 comforters, so I don't think it's going to be that big a deal. If my arms are cold, I throw something on top. It's what I do. A friend of mine decided to challenge the hardest version of the Japanese proficiency test today, so probably find out if he managed to pass. He passed the second hardest version, but had some trouble getting the certificate sent to him because of his situation with his ex-wife at the time screwing with his mail. So he said, I'm gonna have to retake it anyways. Might as well take the next level up instead. Little random thing. thought about trying to record myself doing some, Advent hymns, but I'm like, I can't carry a tune long enough. Even if I got something playing in the background and I got something on screen telling me what notes to hit. Still don't trust myself. And that's why I don't like singing, because I know, I just can't hold the tune very well. And I mean, it's fine for me to do that for private stuff, but if I want to upload it to YouTube, I don't want, And I thought, what about just doing what I did in a couple of my early videos, is, put up some backdrop, put the lyrics, just have the instrumental play. Not sure I like that idea either. I mean, I could do it. Be probably interesting to show, the version of O Come, O Come Emmanuel that I had cobbled together out of 3 different translations. Or the version of Lift Up Your Gates with a different tune, or some of the other stuff I've put together over the years. Jesus freak out.